This light removes the darkness from here. The same way, there's one technique that can remove all negative karma from your life, can remove all negative programs in your mind. This one technique can reduce stress, take care of your mental health, and improve all the relationships around you. If you wish to get all these benefits in your life by breaking down your bad karmas and breaking down your bad programs just by spending 5 minutes a day, do watch this video till the end with me, Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. We are on our 17th day of the 21-day free online yoga workshop Transform 2023. If you are new here, please do check out the previous videos of this workshop by clicking the link here and also in the description box below. Let's start this video with an activity. Take down a paper or you can note it down on your phone. Write down 10 things that you wish to complain in your life. Next, write down 10 things that you are grateful for in this life. Once you finish writing both the complaints and the gratitude, just compare how fast you wrote your complaints and how fast you wrote your gratitude list. By evolution, human mind is made to think of the negatives first and fast. This is to protect us from the predators. But now in this generation, this one attitude is causing us more emotional stress and relationship issues. If complaining is your attitude towards your life, after watching this video, you will know gratitude is the best attitude. Let's get started on our day 17. Gratitude is the best attitude. From olden day radios, the modern televisions work in the same principle. When the receiver tunes into a particular frequency of the channel, the television program or the radio program gets telecasted in your device. Same way, if our frequency is low vibrational, we keep attracting situations that makes us vibrate low or feel low. If we vibrate high, like in the case of gratitude, we attract more things in life that we can feel grateful for. Consider I have two friends A and B and I give both of them whenever I visit my country as a token of love on our friendship. A says thank you and appreciates my effort for her, whereas B finds faults in the gifts and never appreciate my effort. In general, what will I do over a period of time? I will increase my gifts to A, whereas I will decrease or stop gifting B. Do you agree with this? There is a saying, energy flows where attention goes. Flow your attention on high vibrational activities like joy, love, peace, happiness, gratitude, rather in these low vibrational acts like envy, jealous, greed, criticizing, blaming and complaining. Same way, when we take people around us for granted and the effort that they do for us for granted and find faults with them, they will stop doing it for us at one point of time. Because it's human nature to seek love and appreciation. Nobody likes criticizing, judging and blaming. Do you like? If you don't like, don't give it to others. Like the people around us, the universe is showering us with its abundant resources. It is time for us to show some gratitude towards the universe, the nature or the God, whatever you wish to name it. Show some gratitude to receive more of its abundance and blessings. One favorite festival of mine is Pongal, the Makara Sankranti, where we thank the sun, the farmers, the cow, the agriculture who are responsible for giving us the food on our hands. The same way in the West, they practice the Thanksgiving Day to motivate gratitude. What festival or activity do you follow to cultivate gratitude in your religion, country or culture? Please do let me know in the comment section below. Start pointing out the small good things that's happening in your life. Be it the bus that arrived on right time, or for a stranger who gave way for you to move forward, or for the market shopkeeper to stock your favorite fruits and vegetables for you to buy. Say thank you in small things and move on to saying thank you to the big things in life, for the house you stay, for the food you eat, for the water you drink, for the clothes you wear. While you're watching the video of mine, the internet connection, start appreciating people and the efforts that they do for you. It takes consistency and practice to grow the attitude of gratitude. Let me share some of my favorite things that I pay gratitude every day. Thank your body, thank your mind, thank your soul, thank the sun, thank the rain, and thank the plants and trees on your way which supplies you with enough oxygen throughout your life. Thank your friends, thank your family members, thank the video creator that motivates you or entertains you at least for a minute. Thank each and everybody that you come across in your life. Everybody is giving you some lessons of life. I have the habit of randomly appreciating or saying thank you or blessing at least one person in FB or YouTube whenever I open the app. This way I can keep saying thank you multiple times throughout the day. I also have the habit of writing my gratitude journal every day before I sleep. I write at least 3 to 5 points that I feel grateful for the day. The same gratitude journal I open and read as soon as I wake up in the morning along with my vision board. Research linked gratitude with wide range of benefits, including improving your immune system, improving your sleep patterns, increasing the feeling of joy and pleasure, feeling optimistic, feeling more generous and kind, makes you feel less isolated or lonely. Interested in reaping these benefits? Start practicing gratitude today. As an activity for today, do share a note of gratitude for me for this workshop, how it helped you or how it motivated you. Do drop a comment below expressing your gratitude. Start your journey of gratitude with me. Gratitude takes some time to show its effects on your mind, body, and in your environment. So keep practicing gratitude for at least a month to see how your life changes and how you are vibrating high to attract high vibrating situations in your life. So from today, start practicing gratitude for at least 5 minutes a day. Thank anything, everything and everyone in your life. Do subscribe to Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post a new video. Also, do follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. You can also join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your health, fitness and diet related queries with me directly. Share this video with your friends and family to show them that you care for them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam. This is my way of showing my gratitude.